Hello.
Hi there.
Hey folks!
Hi.
Hello.
Hi, this is Maria Meyer. I manage the reference program, and yes, this is a reflection of me from our microwave because trust me, it's better than the real thing.
My name's Lawrence Tyndall, and I'm a product owner working on Cherwell Asset Management.
I'm Brian Parks. I'm a senior software engineer here at Cherwell, and I've been working remotely on and off for the past 5 years.
I'm Sarah John. I'm a video e-learning developer on the Learning Services team.
My name is Orlando Escobar, and I am the Desktop Systems Administrator here at Cherwell.
Ida Pennyman, Director of Global Events for Cherwell.
To stay productive while working remote, I'll take short walks around my neighborhood every couple of hours to stay motivated.
I'm choosing to answer the question about pets because I have two kittens who are 6 months old, and they are very helpful work assistants.
Today, I'm having art breaks with my kids. And then there's my one son's, and there's my other son's.
My favorite thing to eat right now is actually like smoothies. I got a NutriBullet, and so I've been making immunity smoothies every day with like ginger.
This is Angus.
I get dressed exactly the same way as I would if I were going into the office, and I have a physical separate space where I do work versus the rest of the house.
And this is Ingrid.
My favorite snack is a peanut butter sandwich.
They're helping me get through the days.